So today is my 40th anniversary and I was just thinking, Akash Sinha, why didn't you tell me earlier that this wasn't a relationship? It was just, I spent 40 years with this man. I've had 3 children with him. I have spent 40 years ironing his shirts. I have put up with his snoring for 40 years. And now you tell me it was just, couldn't you have just told me this a little bit earlier? I would have spent the last 40 years just dancing around the world, having fun, instead of being committed. And so today, of course, the plan was to have wished my husband a happy anniversary, but in keeping with what we have just learned from Mr. Akash Sinha, I'm instead going to say that, hubby darling, at 73, this actually makes you the oldest in the world, and that too, to Seema Anand. Now that has to be like the biggest achievement ever, right? And so today, instead of me just wishing my husband, the two of us instead would like to wish all of you out there a lifetime of the happiest ever. Because that's what's going to keep a smile on your face, a glow on your cheeks, and a spring in your step. And of course, the biggest thank you goes to Akash Sinha for reminding us that in this world full of idiot assholes, focus on yourself and your relationship, and don't worry about what anybody else out there has to say.